accomplish these things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. So respected speaker, Sibang Merata, to our sports district supervisor, Sir Mario Garcia, to our cluster head, Ms. Marieta Veloso, to our school head, Sir Martin, to all the great teachers of Talgan, Buhan Elementary School, to the proud parents of the graduating pupils, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is an honor for me to represent the scholars achievers of Talgan, Buhan Elementary School for the school year 2024-2025. I am here in front of you, giving my heartfelt message to the people behind our achievements while remembering my unforgettable learnings and experiences from the School of Wisdom, our alma mater. I am very thankful because I was given the chance to walk in as a young learner and step up as a successful graduate from this institution. Every day in school is a learning experience. The early mornings that we have to wake up so that we can attend the flag raising ceremony, the exams we have to pass, the performance tasks we need to do, all of these are part of our journey as a pupil. There are many twists and turns, rough and obstacles, but as we go along with the ride, with the help of our teachers, families, and friends, we now reach our destination, to finish elementary and to move on to high school. There is another thing that I learned from my elementary years. It's don't just be the best, be your best. This means that if you have a special talent, you could easily be the best at that, but you can do much more. If you don't have the talent, use the great and growth might exist that you have in you. It is called determination. My fellow graduates, let us be determined and resilient so that we can achieve our goals in life. I cannot afford to end my speech without expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all the people that helped us reach these happy moments of our elementary school life. To my dear friends, who supported me, the Sakya Salamat, to our teachers, Teacher Lori, Teacher Tony, Teacher Josephine, Teacher Albi, Teacher Rina, Teacher Bell, to our advisor, Teacher Larsa, to our school head, Martin. Thank you for the knowledge and patience you've given to us, and thank you for being our second parents in school. This day will not be special without your hard work in teaching us academically and morally, and how to be good citizens. To my friends, thank you for your never-ending laughter and sacrifices that helped me to be true to myself and to be open to everyone as my friend. Now, as we move on from elementary and embark on the next big journey of our lives, the secondary generation, there were the harder challenges to overcome, but our willpower has been proven irrevocable. Never forget, classmates, that as long as you use your unrelenting way, you are an unstoppable force. What we can do is to choose how we respond to the bewildering situation as we take this next step in life. We will continue experimenting and make memories with them that mold us as to who we truly are and who we are meant to be. I encourage everyone to continue to move on. Once again, congratulations, my fellow graduates.
Thank you, James, and once again, congratulations. Now, we will request the graduates as we state the pledge of loyalty to their alma mater, which will be led by Captain Gabriel E. Tejada.